Hello, everyone. So welcome to a brief run through of how to enhance your customer communications by adding links to Zuora email templates. Whether you're looking to guide customers to support pages or promote new products or even direct them to payment pages, adding links directly to those can help improve overall user engagement and satisfaction. And Amanda is going to walk us through this process step by step. So Amanda, go ahead and take it away, and we'll let you choose on how complex you want to get with those fun little links.
Thanks, Jerry. All right, I think I will choose to go a little complex today. So today I'm going to show you how to add a hyperlink to a Zuora email template that directs customers to a page where they can input a new payment method. So first, let's go up to our little circle up here. Under Settings, Billing, set up profiles, notifications, and email templates. Now we're going to go over to email templates. I'm sure you already have a ton of customized email templates. Well, the one we're going to work with today is off of a payment decline notice. So typically when you want a customer to update their payment method, it's because when you did payment run, tried to charge their credit card or their ACH, it declined. So you want them to put a new payment method on file. So we're going to choose payment decline default email template, but you can put this on any notification email template, invoice past due, or they just signed up for a new subscription. Say, hey, why don't you put your payment method on file with us? So we're going to do payment decline today. This is just a standard Zuora email template. It does have some nice language that says, please update your payment information or provide a new payment method. That's a mouthful, but there's nowhere to do that. So we are going to come up here and hit edit. Zuora has recently changed to an HTML editor instead of plain text. So we're going to click on here. You'll see this HTML editor over here. I already have my link. It is a p-commerce link that I'm using today. Yours may be Stripe or YayPay, or you may be hosting your own page. So you are going to put that link. Let's do it right after provide new payment method. So let's paste that right in here. You see that I already have it in HTML format. So what makes it a hyperlink is this href here. So I put that right before my payment method updater page. Now, the link needs to use what Jerry was mentioning before, a dynamic field. So not everybody's updating the same Zuora account. So how we do that, in this example, it uses what's called an account ID. So how do I put that into my link so that it uses that specific customer's account ID and it's not a static, ID that's sent to everybody? I'm going to come up here, available merge fields. Zuora has this great merge field drop down. So I'm going to click account and then the field ID. It gives us a merge field tag right here, data source account ID. I'm going to place that where it says my account ID equals the merge field. So that way each time a different customer clicks on this link, it will pull in that specific customer's account ID. I'm going to hit edit. That just means save. And we'll preview it over here. Voila! Update your payment method here. I would definitely test this out. Create a Zuora customer account that has a communication profile that uses this template. Email it to yourself, click on the link, make sure it works. And that's it. Easy peasy.
All right. Well, thanks, Amanda. That wraps up the session on how to add a link to email template in Zuora. Amanda made it sound very easy. And so we'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to add any comments below or give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to check out other how-to videos to make the most of your billing platform.